Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS version so you know the exact menu labels. Once done, make sure the phone has more than 20% battery and is on Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and go straight to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This is where screen time lives. You're doing this to limit distractions and set healthy device habits. Tap the entry to reveal usage dashboards, and the screen time controls you'll configure next. You'll now enable screen time and, if prompted, create a secure PIN to prevent changes. Once enabled, set daily limits. Choose specific apps or entire categories like social or games and enter minutes or hours per day. To control evenings, schedule downtime or bedtime and pick start/end times so apps are restricted automatically. If you need exceptions, add allowed apps for calls or messages. These rules work together to reduce usage and enforce consistent habits. Finish by reviewing the weekly usage report to confirm limits match real behavior. You can tweak times or allowed apps accordingly. If you're managing a child's phone, link their account to Family Link or enable parental controls here for remote supervision. Make sure to test the PIN and one restricted app to verify enforcement. If limits fail, update FunTouch OS, restart the phone, and reapply the PIN. These steps resolve most issues. Contact Vivo support if settings still don't stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.